Importing camping tent accessories, customs requirements and process. Welcome back to our customs brokerage video series. In today's episode, we will be taking a deep dive into the process of importing camping tent footprints and ground sheets with peg loops into the USA. These essential camping accessories enhance the comfort and durability of tents, and if you're an outdoor enthusiast looking to import them, understanding the customs requirements is crucial. So, let's get started. The first step in the import process is to ensure compliance with the Importer Security Filing, commonly known as the ISF. The ISF requires importers to provide specific information about their shipment to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) before the merchandise is loaded on board a vessel destined for the United States. When filling out the ISF form, you'll need to include details such as the name and address of the importer, the manufacturer or supplier, the country of origin, and a comprehensive description of the merchandise. Additionally, you will need to provide the Harmonized System (HS) code associated with camping tent footprints and ground sheets. The HS code classifies products for customs purposes and determines the duty rate and any additional requirements. To navigate the complex customs regulations, it's advisable to work with a reputable customs brokerage firm. These experts specialize in managing the customs clearance process and can provide valuable guidance and assistance in filing the necessary documentation, such as the ISF, ensuring smooth clearance of your shipment. Now, let's talk about customs bonds. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by the CBP to ensure compliance with customs regulations and payment of any duties, taxes, or penalties. It acts as protection for the government and enables the release of imported goods while the duties and fees are assessed and paid. In the case of importing camping tent footprints and ground sheets, you will need a single entry bond or a continuous bond, depending on the frequency and volume of your imports. A single entry bond covers one specific shipment, while a continuous bond provides coverage for multiple shipments over a specific period, typically 1 year. Once your shipment arrives at a U.S. port of entry, it will go through the customs clearance process. This entails examining the merchandise, verifying the information provided in the ISF, and assessing any applicable duties and taxes. The customs broker will coordinate with the CBP to ensure the smooth flow of your goods through the clearance process. During the examination, the CBP may physically inspect the camping tent footprints and ground sheets to ensure they comply with safety standards and regulations. It's important to ensure that your products meet all relevant requirements to avoid any delays or penalties. Once your shipment successfully clears customs, it will be released to your designated location. You can then distribute the camping tent footprints and ground sheets to your customers or display them in your store if you're a retailer. Remember, working with a customs broker streamlines the entire import process and allows you to focus on your core business. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the import process for camping tent footprints and ground sheets with peg loops. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about other aspects of international trade and customs brokerage, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Until then, happy importing and see you soon.